It's called
खरे
हाँ नमस्कार सर, नमस्कार
नमस्कार। तेरे लिए चालू कराया।
सर नमस्कार सर, नमस्कार सर।
ठीक है, बंद कर दो।
यस सर।
और बढ़िया।
बस सर आपका आशीर्वाद है। यस।
ठीक।
Good afternoon, sir. Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, is
Good afternoon.
joining this program. Yes, sir. So, on behalf of Technical University and Coordinator Dr. Arun Khare, I welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. And with permission of Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, should I start this valedictory function?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Sir, welcome, sir. Dr. Verma, sir, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Siddharth, please start.
Snelata madam, please proceed.
Good evening all. On behalf of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, I, Snelata Mandal, welcome our Chief Guest, Dr. M.K. Verma, Honorable Vice Chancellor, CSVTU Bhilai, President of the function, Shri Avnish Kumar Sharan, IAS, Honorable Chairman DT Raipur, Guest of Honor, Colonel B. Venkat, Director FDC, AICT New Delhi, Mr. I.P. Mishra, sir, President Shri Gangajali Education Society, dignitaries from different organizations, distinguished speakers, faculties, and dear participants. I welcome you all for today's valedictory ceremony. The program objective of the program is to enable participants with essential needs of IoT technology to understand its concept and to know the related field of application. The Joint Teachers Training Program proved to be beneficial and participants were able to boost their knowledge of smart IoT, network communication protocol, and new innovations in IoT technology. Now I request Dr. Arun Khare, Principal VEC Ambikapur and Coordinator AICT CSVTU FDP to address the participants.
Good afternoon to all. Respected Honorable Vice Chancellor of Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekanand Technical University Bhilai, Professor M.K. Verma, sir. I welcome you, sir, and who is also our chief guest of this valedictory program. Also the mentor of the entire proceedings of this 1 week training program, which is being organized under the umbrella of AICT CSVTU MU on topic of this a smart perspective of IoT in different applications. So first of all, I am very much thankful and grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, who has given the opportunity to this Shankaracharya Technical Campus for organizing beautiful program of this one week program. Also, our special guest and president of the function, Sri Avinish Kumar Sarji, who is the IAS and Director of Technical Education. Although he could not join, but he has conveyed his message because he is very much busy at Durg because of some election essential work of the government. And also Colonel B. Venkat, Director FDC from AICT New Delhi, PMC Chairman Colonel Professor Matharu Saab, SPS Matharuji, Dr. R.N. Patel, Dr. Manoj Verma, Honorable Sri I.P. Mishra ji, who is also the Chairman and President of this important program, and Director Deshmukh ji, and also Jaspal Bagga, coordinator of this program, Siddharth Chaubey and Samta Gajpie ji, all the participants and dear students, because few of the students have also joined this program. I congratulate to all the participants and organizing team of this Sri Shankaracharya Technical Campus for successful completion of this 1 week training program, which was organized between 10th December to 15th December under the guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. This program was really quite different from earlier previous program because Dr. Siddharth Chaubey has done very hard work, who has also introduced new innovative things, which is hands-on activities on the participants involving IoT means and methods, which are really very much important. In this 4 particular programs, we have covered 4 important topics. First of all, the introductory part of this IoT and security and safety in smart applications of IoT, along with practical sessions also we have conducted. All the speakers were very renowned from NIT, IIIT, NIT Raipur, NIT Rourkela, IIT Bhilai, and many more from industry institution interactions. Feedback also taken from the many institutions, and in which we have found that program was very successful. It was very landmark for the program. The program was 8th program on the series of this total 11 program, which is being permitted by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. I would like to direct to each and every participant, kindly do participate in coming program also, because VC sir has also taken MOU from AICT, in which we will organize 33 such type of programs in coming 3 years. And also we have organized total 12 non-teaching training program for 3 years. I wish all the participants will bring positive reform and positive changes in their teaching learning process, which will really transfer your knowledge to our students, which are our real stakeholders. And next program we have organized at Chhatrapati Shivaji Institute of Technology, Durg, during 21st January to 27th January. So we expect that you will also participate. That is also based on artificial intelligence and machine learning. So with all these words, wish you all the best, and thanks to all once again. I am very much thankful for giving me opportunity by our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, Professor M.K. Verma ji. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Now I request Dr. P.P. Deshmukh, Director, Sri Shankaracharya Technical Campus, to say a few words.
Respected Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, Professor M.K. Verma, sir, President of the function, Honorable Shri Avinish Kumar Saranji, Honorable Chairman and Director, Directorate of Technical Education, Raipur. Guest of honor, Colonel B. Venkat, Director, FDP, all AICT, New Delhi. Respected Shri I.P. Mishra, sir, Chairman, Shri Gangajali Education Society. Madam Jaya Abhishek Mishra, President, Shri Gangajali Education Society. PMC Chairman, Dr. SPS Matharu, sir. Our Registrar, CSVTU, Dr. KK Verma, sir. The University Coordinator, Dr. R.N. Khare, Principal, Vishwa Vidyalaya Engineering College. And the Program Coordinator, Professor Dr. Siddharth Chaubey and Dr. Samta Gajpie, all faculty members.
देशमुख जी म्यूट हो गया आपका, देशमुख जी म्यूट हो गया।
That has been organized from 10 to 15 December 2021 on a smart perspective of IT in different applications. As when we started this program in the first day, we have the objectives to get the knowledge of this IoT emerging field and its application in different areas. And at the time, we hope that the number of experts will deliver their talks, the informations and knowledge will be communicated to participants, particularly the faculty members, so that they will be equipped with the knowledge as well as the tools of the IoT, and that will be applicable for the different applications in different areas. And the concluding session, I hope all sessions have gone very well. Very good experts were there. I have gone through at least 3 to 4 expert talk completely, and particularly in some areas where I think and I understand the concept. The what may be the talk and the lecture, that was the very good, and I hope all faculty members, they have got the informations and they have been prepared now to carry out this knowledge at the end of the institution level, that is at the student level, and at the same time they will be prepared to go for the research work in the areas. Therefore, I am very hopeful, and I am confident that this knowledge will be useful by the for the teachers and for the students. At the same time, I am grateful to Chhattisgarh Swami Vivekananda Technical University, especially our Vice Chancellor Sir, Honorable M.K. Verma Sir, for giving an opportunity to us to conduct this teacher training program 5 days in the emerging areas. Thanks to AICT and particularly the Colonel B. Venkat Sir, always he has given the support to conduct the number of faculty development programs at Urban Institute, and number of expert members, those who have given their valuable time. I am grateful to all. And Professor Matharu Sir, definitely he has been our friendly and very good mentor for a number of programs that has been organized in the university level. Thanks to him also. Thanks once again. At the same time, I am thankful to our management, Sri IP Mishra Sir and Jaya Madam, for giving a constant support to organize such type of development activities, particularly research and IPR in the patent and number of activities, including the placement. And really thanks to him and Madam. Once again, at the same time, I hope in the future will conduct such type of programs in the different emerging areas. Once again, thanks to all, and best wishes for the next endeavor of the university. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Now I welcome respected Mrs. Jaya Mishra, ma'am, President, Sri Gangajali Education Society. Welcome, ma'am, to the valedictory function. Now I request Dr. SPS Matharu, sir, PMC Chairman, Professor NIT Raipur, to say few words.
Honorable VC Sir, Dr. M.K. Verma Sir, Worthy Colonel B. Venkat Ji, Director and Principal Professor Dr. P.B. Deshmukh Ji, Coordinator Dr. R.N. Khare Ji, course organizing training program organizing committee members, then my PMC committee members, coordinating team committee members, dear participants, and the eminent experts who have joined here. This is another feather to that CSUTU and AICT MOU which had been taken place for the improvement of technical education. I consider this as the skill enhancement program for faculty members, and I am hopeful that the field in which this program have been conducted, this is the recent field, and all the faculty members who have joined this program must have been benefited to large extent, and I wish that they should implement the outcomes of this the new outcomes of this program in their teaching as well as in their career, so that the vision of AICT and CSV2 comes true. I wish them all the best for their future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our chief guest, Honorable Dr. M.K. Verma, Vice Chancellor, CSVTU Bhilai, to express his views.
Good evening to all of you. And it's really a matter of pleasure to be in a valedictory function of any specific targeted training program or seminar series, particularly under the FDP, where along with the AICT, university is also of the opinion that it is inevitable we should go for developing our faculties at the topmost priority. If faculties are developed, if faculties' capabilities is very nice, if faculty's knowledge level is very high, definitely there is no doubt that our students, the outcome of university and institutes will be coming up with much more capabilities to whom the real world people will be welcoming them, whether it is private organization or government organization, they should be welcomed because of their capabilities. And the capabilities of students can only be enhanced by the faculty, none other than the faculty. In the whole system of education, which I find, it is quite obvious and very important that only the teachers, the faculties are the key person, key position to develop the students. And if our students are not capable, they are not performing well, that means somewhere something is needed to introspect by the community of faculty. And during the introspection, faculties felt that many things which are needed to update them by their knowledge and exposure to the other community of the similar cadre at different higher or equivalent positions in equivalent nature of institution. Their exposure and interaction with other faculties definitely enhances their understanding about the subject and the prospect of research, the direction of research. It makes them enable to understand the philosophy of technology and which direction it is heading, how the future of the technology will be there and what will be the needs of technological education system. That understanding itself is needed to be enhanced, which is beyond the routine teaching and learning process. With this intention and aim, AICT, along with AICT, CSV2 is doing, cooperating and making it possible to educate, to update, to enhance the capacity of our faculty. And under this series, this particular application portion of IoTs, which has got many diversities. Even though the present applications domain of IoT is, I consider it is incomplete. Why I am saying it is incomplete? Because a lot of prospect, a lot of area, lot of instrumentations are required to be connected through the IoT and operated for the benefit of the system, making it automation, making it self-sufficient, self-sustainable. Likewise, many prospects are there, which is still required to be explored by our faculty members. And exploration is the best way through the scholars. You do have some idea and imagination what are the possible applications, variants, which is not at present, but it can be done. You will be guiding, you will be able to guide the scholars. They will come up, search up, and they may come up with certain instrumentation also, certain programming, certain high quality coding. Likewise, copyright and patent can be done. Even though I feel that IoT based development in the new areas, if some instrumentation, some chips you are going to develop, it is having its own commercial value. You can go up, you can come up with the startup, and you can make these people, these scholars or faculties, entrepreneur on their own research and capabilities. I am happy to share that in our university, we had created a company under Section 8, which will be dedicated for development of this type of innovation and applications and helping them to create companies, and also even after erection of companies, their production, and even after production, they should be in position to help for marketing. That is most important thing, from where the product should be known. And I am just offering you all connected faculty members and scholars through this particular seminar that if you are coming up and joining this Section 8 company and starting under the guidance your own company under certain terms and conditions with the university, definitely on the platform of university, if your products are being marketed, glorified after proper testing, I think marketing problem of new inventor will be vanished up to certain extent. So people will be knowing that under this university, such and such faculty and scholars has come up with such a startup, and these are their products, and the product and quality and application, that variant we will be certifying from the university website itself. And also we are in process to provide direct link for your marketing and purchasing and reselling. If somebody wish to order through the university portal of such products, that facility too should be available on our website. So that is the dream, that is the vision behind creating this Section 8 company. And this is a part of this particular workshop. Our faculty development training is the part of that. You should think about your scholar should be coming up with some innovation and some product targeted research work. As far as capability of faculties and scholars are concerned, I had seen a basic characteristics of the scholars and faculties to whom I know that they are all capable for developing such new things. They are hardworking. Scholars are also ready to work hard, but they need certain definite type of goal, what type of product we are aiming at it. So that is how this particular topic has been perceived, and it has been discussed with PMC chairman and their members and the coordinator, Dr. Khare. And this is what the expectation of the whole university and university administration is, that you should come up with certain proposals for research in which new innovation and development is included. We'll be happy and we'll be able to support it. Even we will be trying to find out some investors on this type of products during your PhD works through this Section 8 company and other modalities. So this is under development. You come up with your requirement and particularly specified target and specified which type of help is needed from the university side. If this dream will come true within next 2 or 3 years, it will start in that moving in that direction. I think I will be the happiest person representing this university, technical university, and in real sense, will be in position to fulfill aspiration of the society, need of the society as the technical university and technocrats. With these words, an aspiration of myself, and I express my confidence on the faculties who has undergone through this particular training. This training valedictory is not the end of their training, but I think and I foresee it is the starting point of the training where you are going to apply it, think over it, and come up with the aspirations of university. I extend my best wishes to all the faculties and scholars who had been associated with the faculties, that they will come up with this type of innovation and product-oriented PhD research proposals. I am waiting for it, and I am confident I will be getting it soon. Thank you very much. All the best to everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Finally, I request Dr. Samta Gajbhir ma'am, Head of Department, Computer Science and Engineering, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Snehlata. A warm and cherished good evening to our Honorable Dr. M.K. Verma, Vice Chancellor, CSVTU. Honorable Shri Avnish Kumar Sharan, Chairman and Director, DT Raipur. Although he has not joined with us, but he gave his consent, might be busy. Respected Colonel B. Venkat, Director, FDC from AICT. Respected SPS Matharu, Sir, PMC Chairman and Professor from NIT Raipur. Dr. KK Verma, Registrar, CSVTU. Shri IP Mishra Ji, Chairman, Shri Gangajali Education Society. Mrs. Jaya Abhishek Mishra, President, Shri Gangajali Education Society. Dr. P.B. Deshmukh, Director, SSTC. Dr. Jaspal Bagga, Vice Principal, SSTC. And last but not least, Dr. R.N. Khare, Principal, Vishwavidyalaya Engineering College, Ambikapur, and University Coordinator for this AICT CSVTU Teachers Training Program. Faculties and participants, it's my privilege to offer thanks on this occasion. On the behalf of Sri Shankaracharya Technical Campus and the entire fraternity of Computer Science and Engineering Department, first of all, my sincere thanks to Almighty God for making this event a grand success. By His blessings and grace, we were able to make this event what it was. I give a really heartfelt thanks to all our dignitaries who have spent their busiest time with us and graced the occasion. I would like to thank the management for providing the resources as and when it is required to us as early as possible. Thanks to all the speakers for adorning the occasion and sharing their experience in this one big joint teachers training program. I also want to thank the faculties and the staff who worked behind the scene to execute this event, our technical arrangement team, all the session coordinators, the program coordinators, Dr. Siddharth Chaube, and all the supporting staff. Thanks to all for coordinating with us. My sincere thanks to all the participants for your participation, as without you, this wouldn't have been a success. I hope this training program would be a beneficiary in near future. Thanks to all. Thank you very much for joining this event. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you very much to everybody. Right. Okay.
Thank
All the
you,
best.
sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.